Hey, what's going on, guys? Deathclaw69 here again with another review. And as you can tell from the title, from the box, and from the hoodie, dead giveaway, the PSG 4s from Jordan. These have been out for a while, but I have no clout, so I just got them. But you guys can help me clout chase by liking and subscribing, commenting. You already know. But let's get into the unboxing and the review. All right. Let's get into the unboxing. First off, I thought I got a dirty box, but it seems like it's part of the design. You can't see it on the side, can you? Shit. Oh, yeah, has a few. I don't know if my box got rained on, got jizzed on, got squirted on. But let me know in the comments below if y'all's box looks like this too. I don't know if it's part of the design. I really don't know much about these shoes. All right. First look inside the box. Not for me, I already opened them. This really nice paper. It says Paris with the PSG logo. Inside the box, you can see the grass. See the label. PSG apparently is a soccer team. I don't really watch sports. I just drink. But I fuck with maroon heavy. All right, let's move the box out of the way. Pretty nice box though. Got them in 9.5. The colors are white, Bordeaux, neutral, gray. You already know 9.5. We little dick gang. Straight up, these are hot fire, son. I'm not even a soccer fan, but I had to cop because of the colors, man. I don't even wear white shoes. This is how fire I thought they were. And the fact that they were a collab with the PSG, thought that was pretty sick too. Eiffel Tower, the Jumpman logo. Paris Saint-Germain. All right. Well, we got the white leather right here. The white texture here. Purple, black right here. More white leather. And then right here, this is the neutral gray suede that they were talking about in the colors. This purple right here, it feels like foam, but it's not. It's pretty hard. Got the black sole with white. Jumpman logo at the bottom. Just some nice looking shoes. The bubble, so some white. A little bit of the features. Comes with that big classic tongue. Black and white Jumpman logo. What else is different on these? Oh, these little tabs right here, man. This texture feels good. It's rubbery. Feels soft. The Paris is a Jumpman logo. The only thing I'd be worried about wearing these out is the laces in this right here. The leather, you can always clean it. I mean, you can't fuck them up, but not have to worry too much about them. Comes with a little 75 in this tongue back here. The tongue, Air Jordan backwards, a black inside. See, I haven't even taken the cardboard out. Let's see what's in there. It's out of there, boy. What's the logo? Is there a logo? Let me pretend I know how to read French. Bet. I always like these features on the 4s. Look nice. Shoelaces with the golden agulets. No hunt. Overall, pretty nice shoe. Same fucking thing on the other side. Oh, let me see, 70. Yeah, they both say 75. They both got the Air Jordan logo backwards. What does this one say? Yeah, same thing, but backwards. What the fuck? Get the cardboard up here. Ici says Paris, and this one says it. The fuck? This one says it like this, and this one says it like this. Let me see, can y'all see in there? And this one says it like that. I guess that's different. Jumpman with the flight, same logo. All right, the Paname, whatever that means in French. I'm an American, I don't care. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All the features on this shoe, not much, just a simple, nice, fire shoe. I just love maroon, and I had to cop the hoodie, and I'm gonna cop the jersey just to be fitted, boy. Overall, I think they're a really nice shoe. Nothing crazy, just a collaboration with the French soccer team PSG. Man, these colors, whew, boy, the jerseys are expensive. The hoodies, I think they got little jackets too, little windbreakers or track jackets, and they're expensive, but oof, they look good. And I just had to cop because these colors are fire. This combination, boys got finessed. But anyways, let's get to what they look like on feet. Man, I feel like they look good, but I don't feel good. I don't know, I feel weird. I don't really have mostly white shoes. Like, I just don't do that. That's not me, but man, these are so fire. But I just feel weird because I'm not used to it. It feels weird, kind of like when the Father touched me. Comment down below if you've been touched by your church's father. But yeah, anyways, let's get back to the shoes. Got that hoodie, boy. Even that hoodie has some badass details. Paris, right here. Then you got a little ECS Paris. I don't know what the fuck that means. American. Got a little patch right here. Saint Germain. I think that's it. Got a little patch over here. The Jordan logo. For shit, boy. No, man. I look fine, man. I don't know how to do the laces. I really haven't had that many fours. I haven't had any. I don't know how to do the laces. Y'all comment down below how y'all like to do the laces. What y'all think about the shoe. And if I look weird in white shoes. Because I feel weird. But I know they look pretty fire. I just looked in the mirror. Let me know what other fire fits would look good with these shoes right here. I wish I could dance. Could almost jump higher with these. Let's do it. Let's test it out. Oh shit! Too high. I'm at the damn wall, baby. Look at that, man. They look weird, bro, from up here. I just watched them on the video from the side and they look fucking fire. I think it's just the top view. They look bulky. They look like some fucking fives or something. Shit. Alright, guys. Well, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Leave a dislike if you're a hater. And comment down below if you have suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe because I need some motherfucking money. I need some attention. I need some clout so I can get these shoes early. Alright, that's Class 69. We out.